Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We are still doing side dishes that you could serve at a barbecue. So, the last dish that I'm going to prepare today is a classic Italian potato salad. Easy. We're going to whip it together in a matter of, 20 minutes. And it's going to marinate overnight, and it's going to taste even better tomorrow. Okay. Actually, even if you want to make this the same day that you're having your barbecue, you can make it as long as it sits at room temperature for about an hour. You're good to go. So an hour before you're having your barbecue, you make it, put it together, no big deal. The longer it sits all together, obviously it marinates, the potato just tastes 100% better for some reason. Well, you know why. When you have all those flavors sitting together, that's what happens. They start tasting really good. Okay, so one trick that I'm gonna let you know is when you're cooking your potatoes, first of all, leave your skin on. They're beautiful, full of flavor. Wash them really nicely. I'm gonna cube this up, okay? And I'm gonna try to make them all similar size. When you put them in your pot, make sure you add cold water. And then start your boiling process from there. Start your cooking from there. When you start it off with the cold water, the potato cooks evenly. Beautiful. You're not going to get mushy potatoes. You're not going to get not cooked. Some pieces are not cooked maybe. They're all going to be evenly cooked and delicious. Okay, let's go. Let's start. We're going to cut up the potatoes. We're going to wash, cut up the potatoes, and get the pot ready. Okay, our potatoes are all cubed up. See? Now I'm going to add the water, cold water, and just enough to cover, about 2 inches. 2 inches over the potatoes. Okay, so I filled up my pot with the water. It's about 2 inches or so above the potatoes. Okay, and I'm going to put this on high heat right now. Okay, high heat. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium high, and we're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. Just enough that I'll be able to pierce the potato with a knife. Then it's ready. Okay? We'll see you in a bit when it starts to boil. Okay, so while we're waiting for the pot of potatoes to boil and cook, we are going to make the vinaigrette, okay, to pour over the potatoes. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get my garlic ready. I'm going to use about 3 or 4 cloves. Yeah, I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic. This potato salad does not have any mayo in it. Okay? I'm not putting any kind of mayo in this potato salad. Italian style. I'm going to put lots of garlic. Well, 4 cloves is not lots. Then we're going to put a little bit of the red wine vinegar. That's going to be good. Okay, so we got that going in there. Then we got some oil, olive oil, and the red wine vinegar. Now the red wine vinegar, I don't remember exactly. Oh, just 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. Okay. One and 2, because I'm making a lot of potato. So I'm putting 3 tablespoons of the oil. The red wine vinegar, and then I'm going to put in a quarter cup of the oil, olive oil. Okay, then we're going to put in our salt. And last but not least, well, actually it's not last, but because I still have the parsley and the chives, but we're going to put in half a lemon, the juice of half a lemon, So recap, as our potatoes are cooking, we're making our vinaigrette, okay, which is garlic, red wine vinegar, olive oil, lemon juice from the half a lemon. And I'm also going to put a little bit of the lemon zest. Okay. That's going to be amazing. Okay. Let me show you what that looks like. And that's our vinaigrette. See? So you got, recap, garlic, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, and zest from the lemon, and some olive oil. Now we're gonna put in a little bit of the black pepper. We're gonna chop up some parsley and some chives. Okay? Okay, potatoes are ready. Just to show you what I mean, take the potato and put the knife into it so easily. It means it's ready. Okay, so now you're gonna drain this really, really well. Drain it really well. And I'm putting it back into the same pot because the heat will help to dry them up. Okay. Now, we're going to put this inside with the vinaigrette that I made. We're going to dump that in there. I don't know about dump, but okay. There you go. I'm going to toss them around. And there you have it. Classic Italian potato salad. We're going to do a little taste test because you might need maybe a little bit more salt. Oh, I forgot the black pepper. Oh, I don't know what it is today. I keep on forgetting. And I forgot to shut off the timer. I forgot the black pepper. Hold on. Okay. Fresh black pepper coming up. Then I'm gonna taste test that. Oh, that looks, oh, it smells amazing. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna set it aside for a bit and then put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Then what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, about an hour before serving, I'm gonna take it out and bring it to room temperature. And that's it, ready to go. Just enough to get the crispy coldness out of it. Okay. Oh my God. I can sit and have this right now. I don't even need salt. Okay, maybe just a touch, a touch. Yeah. It tastes delicious hot. You imagine when it cools right down, how good it's gonna be. And that's it. We are good to go. Classic Italian potato salad. Ready. Not only good for a barbecue, this is excellent if you need to bring a dish for a potluck. There you go. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. We'll talk soon. Peace.